support my studies, I work at a care home, and the majority of the residents suffer from dementia. And so when I saw them doing art therapy and music therapy, I thought it would be a good way for my nan to deal with her symptoms of dementia. She found it really hard to communicate with us verbally, and yeah, it worked really well because she could link colours with different emotions.
I enjoy it. If you're feeling a bit upset or your emotions are a bit high, I think it does calm you down a little bit. Good for you.
Well, I was struggling to think of what I was going to do for my final year because I'd explored a lot of different medias throughout my time here, but I wanted to do something that was going to help someone because of the care home, but I just didn't know what I was going to do. But then, after speaking to my tutor, she was like, just go back to basics, maybe just paint with her because you love painting. And so we did. So this is actually a collaboration between my nan and I. My nan at the time, I noticed she was having a bit of a rough time, and so was I actually. So we both just linked certain colours with emotions that we were feeling, had a little discussion about that, and then we just started painting. One was at one end, one was at the other, and we just went for it. I think confidence and communication is the two main things that we've got from it. I just think it's so powerful.